Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tomato soup for weight loss. First, understand that this simple, flavorful soup can be a fantastic addition to your diet. It's naturally low in calories, typically around 100 to 150 per bowl, yet packed with essential nutrients like vitamins A, C, and K. This helps you feel satisfied, preventing overeating and supporting your journey towards a healthier weight. Gathering the right ingredients is key for a healthy and delicious soup. You'll need about 28 ounces of crushed tomatoes, which form the rich base. For aromatics, 1 cup of diced yellow onion and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic are perfect. To keep it light and flavorful, use 2 cups of low-sodium vegetable broth. For a creamy texture without heavy cream, half a cup of plain Greek yogurt works wonderfully. Making this soup is incredibly straightforward. Begin by sautéing your diced onions and minced garlic in about 1 tablespoon of olive oil until they are translucent, which takes around 5 minutes. Next, add the crushed tomatoes, vegetable broth, and your favorite seasonings like basil and oregano. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 30 minutes. Finally, stir in the Greek yogurt for a creamy, satisfying texture and an extra boost of protein. Enjoy your homemade healthy tomato soup immediately, perhaps with a sprinkle of fresh basil for added flavor. This soup is excellent as a light lunch or dinner. For a more complete meal, consider pairing it with a small piece of whole grain toast or a side salad. Remember, consistency is key for weight loss, so incorporate this delicious soup regularly. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals to enhance your reading experience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.